Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be installing these LEDs from my high beams. Auxito, they sent me out these LEDs to try out, so I'm gonna install them in today. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. Alright, so come with some O-rings, extra spare ones, zip ties, instruction manual. So yeah, these headlights are pretty, or LED bulbs, they're pretty, looks pretty well built. So I mean, I wish I had it for the low beams, but you know, the Subaru STIs, they come built LEDs already, so just can't swap out the bulb. So gotta so I end up asking for the daytime running lights for the high beams, so I'm gonna install these on. So yeah, it looks pretty nice, well built. I'm gonna throw these bad boys on. Crap, man, that's bright. Yep. So that's pretty much the Auxito LEDs. It's super bright. Hopefully, wait till it get dark. I'm gonna do a night video on the brightness. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much back in the car, so pretty much got the LEDs installed. It's pretty bright, as you can see. Let's see. If I lower the settings, it's pretty bright for the high beam. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna wait till it get dark, then I'm gonna show the nighttime videos. Also like to give a thanks to Auxito for sending out me these headlights. They're pretty bright from what I can see right now. Waiting for it to get dark and I'm gonna try it out, fully test it. They also did send me a some 3Ks yellow LEDs for my fog lights. I'm gonna put these on the next video. These are the specs right here. Yeah, that's what I have. And yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing and trying these out yourself, just use my coupon code CAMBO. You get 12% off on your purchase. Alright guys, so that's pretty much just got home. Pretty much just gonna put the e-brake down and the light should turn on. Yep, that's pretty much how bright it is.